Okay, I don't normally do a video like this. I bought a new pack of Goody powders, or Goodies powders. This I keep in my bag and stuff. And you can see that it has an expiration of 1/19. However, I don't really know how long this has been in here. I don't know if this is the one that came with it or if I just stuck it in here, because I will keep this pack here, and every time I buy a box, the box will stay here in the house, and I'll put 3 to 6 in this little pack and take it with me. So I don't really know how old these are that's in here. The box doesn't have an expiration date on it that I can see. Oh, here we go. I think that's saying 2021, 8/2021. Does that show up on the camera? Probably not. Anyway, the other one is way over here. In this part, they don't have it centered very well. The white box ain't big enough. But so, what I noticed was, I was going to put some in here along with this one. This, of course, is the way it used to be. You'd open it up and there's no writing on it or nothing. It's a lot of trouble to use it. A lot of people don't even do Goody powders because of this, I guess, or whatever. But I had to make a shout out video because they have took this to a whole new level. Look at these puppies. So not only do you not have to fool with all this, you just tear it open and do it that way, but each pack has the date on it, the expiration date and the lot number. So I had to make a small video. This will be a little short video, but I had to make a video giving them a shout out. This is tremendous. This is absolutely great. So now I can take 3 to 6 whatever, and that'll be 4. I can leave these in the house, put these in here, don't want to lose that one, and not worry about the actual expiration date. Then these can go in the car or wherever. Is that not great? Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. Is that not a humongous step forward? Anyway, thanks for watching. Go out and get a box. Oh, this video is not sponsored by Goodies or the makers of Goody powders in any way. They don't know that I'm making the video. I just thought this was a giant step forward. I just love that change there. I wish I'd thought of it. That is just a tremendous leap forward, I think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Yeah, subscribe especially because I need like 500 subscribers. And leave a comment if you like. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. Both a thumbs up and a thumbs down. And look for the next video.